Hi, everyone. It's Thursday, August 15th. This is my 106th video, and I wanted to give you a look at something that I think may be developing in the oil. The lines on this chart are the 5 and 20-day moving average. The 5-day is the more erratic purple line, and the 20-day is a little smoother, the red line. What I want to point out is that this has looked several times on this chart as if we were going from a downtrend back to an uptrend based on the crossover of the 5 through the 20-day to the upside. As you can see here, it looked like we were going to go through. In fact, I got long in here this day, expecting it to go through the following day. And the oil had been consolidating, as you can see here, for 3.5 weeks. What happened there instead was that in the evening session, the oil came down and turned the line back to the downside. This caused a decline from the day that I got in here at 63 and change. First stop 2 days later, 57, and then another 5 or 10 days, and we actually came all the way down here to the $51 and change area. We consolidated across. I pointed this out in a previous video as a very nicely formed W bottom and a breakout here. What happened was that we continued up, and then again here after a consolidation and another test of this breakout, it looked like we were going to cross back to the upside again. And exactly the same thing happened in the evening session. And fortunately, we weren't long at this time. In the evening session, it turned lower. The lines never crossed. And I put out another video on the oil on this day about 2.5 weeks ago, when we were down about $1.75 right here, calling attention to it. And we had another 5-day decline all the way down to $50.50 a barrel. Now, we've come up, I think we've come up to another downtrend line after a reaction low from 50 up here to 57.50, right into all of this supply. And it looks as if the 5-day is going to go back through the 20-day again, except that it hasn't. And we closed down on the day today by 60 odd cents. So if we have an overnight decline tonight, I'm going to guess that we're going to break to the downside. As soon as we break this area, maybe today's low or the low from Monday at 53.54, roughly $1.07 from where we closed, I think we could test this 50. And frankly, it wouldn't surprise me to see it test the $47 to $48 area down here.